Alright, let's do driver's side first. You will need 24-inch wiper blade. To remove your old one, you'll need to lift on the tab, flip your wiper blade upside down, and pull on it. That is the easiest way I found. Be careful you don't drop your wiper blade arm on your windshield or it could crack it. Then go ahead, grab your new one. Lift that tab. Go ahead, put it on the arm. And make sure you hear on click noise. Once it's all locked up, go ahead, close that tab. Now let's move on to the passenger side. Passenger side, you basically do the same, almost. You lift on the tab, flip it upside down, and this time you will push on it. Once you remove your old one, be careful with the arm, you don't let it go. This one you will need 18-inch. That goes on the passenger side according to the manual book. Lift on the tab. Now go ahead, put it on the arm. Make sure you hear click noise. Once it's locked up, close the tab. And of course, go ahead, clean your windshield the proper way before you use them. Alright, thank you and have a good day.